If you want to know how to fix ClipChamp not exporting problem, you've come to the right place. So let's say that we want to export this project inside. And if we click on export in the right top corner, we can see that we have the options and we can try to choose some qualities, and sometimes this process looks like this. But what if we have some basically problems, we cannot export or do some other stuff? Do we have a solution? Yes, we need to click editing. Basically, we'll come to this page. And from this page here, make sure that you have all the media inside of your folder. So go to your media right up here, and then just import all the necessary media you are trying to use on the project, on your timeline. So basically, sometimes ClipChamp loses some parts of your media, and they cannot export them because they don't have them inside of their platform. And the other way of how can we fix this problem is that we can check our internet connection. So go to your settings on your laptop or another device and check, do you have the Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to the internet. So after that, you'll be able to export videos without losing quality, without any problems. So this is the only one way and the easiest way of how can we fix a problem without, so we cannot export from ClipChamp. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.